Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a freeze frame effect using CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Make sure you cut out any unnecessary parts so the video is clean and ready for editing. Now find the moment you want to freeze in the video. Tap on the clip to select it, then click the freeze button. CapCut will automatically create a still frame at the selected moment. After adding the freeze frame, you can adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the frozen clip. Next, copy the freeze frame you just created and paste it right above the original clip. Make sure the position is exactly the same. After that, click on the copied freeze frame. On the right side, select Remove Background at Auto Removal, and then choose the type of stroke you like. Here you can adjust the size, color, and opacity of the stroke. Now, let's set the effect for the freeze frame that will act as the background for this video. Click on the Effect menu, scroll until you find Texture, and choose one of the available effects. Then, drag the effect directly above the freeze frame. We'll adjust the effect using keyframes. Click on the effect, and the settings will appear on the right. Select Keyframe next to Detail, and set the values for color, filter, and size to 0. Move the timeline slightly to create a new keyframe. Then adjust the color, filter, and size settings until the background looks just right. At the end, add 2 more keyframes, the first one with the same adjusted settings, and the second one with color, filter, and size set back to 0. Next, click on the copied freeze frame. On the right side, select Animation and choose Fade In. Then, go back to the Remove Background section and adjust the stroke color to match the background you just edited. Now, let's move to the Basics section and use the keyframe feature again. At the beginning of the video, set a keyframe by clicking on the keyframe button next to Transform, ignoring other settings for now. Then, move the timeline slightly and set the scale to 110%. Shift the image slightly to the right. Add 2 more keyframes at the end, one with no changes, and the other restoring the original settings. To soften the background, we'll use the blur effect. Go to the Effect menu, type Blur in the search box, and select the blur effect. Drag and place the effect directly below the previous effect. For the final step, let's add some text. Go to the Text option and select Default Text. Customize the text content, then adjust its position, duration, and animation to your liking.